place back to blow. If he posts this on his channel, like and subscribe.
Let's go!
Alright guys, so this is day 2 of trying to catch a fish on Atwood Lake. We caught that one bass last night, and that's pretty much it, honestly. It's a nice lake. I'll say this though, the people that camp here, at least around us, are super friendly, really nice people. Really nice people. All right, we're gonna go to the next spot. We're gonna head on out toward the marina area and see if we can find something. Morning.
How you doing?
Good, and you?
Good. Catching a fish?
No.
No? Good shot, right?
What's that?
Oh. I didn't know see the puppy till we passed him.
Oh, yeah. GoPro stopped recording.
Morning.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good, and you?
Good. Catching a fish?
No.
No? Good shot, right?
What's that? Oh, yeah. It's a yellow perch. Well, that's the best we could do here. Yeah, he's pretty spoiled now. Don't let him fool you. Are you guys going out? Okay. I'll get out of your way here in a second. What do you fish for here?
There isn't a whole lot.
Yeah. I'm noticing.
You get a lot of small perch.
Yeah, you couldn't eat that thing if you tried. I had a guy reach out on TikTok and told me about that. Showed me I went on his page too, and he was catching flathead, blue cat, and channel cat. Man, he got some big ones too.
We caught a massive blue channel here last time we were here.
Wow. The reason I'm here, they told me there was muskie in this lake.
Small guy.
They lied to me. Yeah, I can't seem to get on the saw guy. Somebody said something about a beach. I don't know what beach. Said the main beach. Chubbs, you better jump in there and get us some fish, buddy. We're gonna starve to death if you don't. So he lays down. You ain't worth, I'm telling you, you goofy little dog. You goofy little dog. Well, you folks have a great day.
You too. Good luck.
Thanks. What do you think, Chubbs? We can't catch fish, can we? We suck at this. Can you believe that? Yellow perch. Yellow perch, Chubbs. We got it. Hey. A yellow perch. Look at you. Hey, you better smile, man. You're on camera.
Oh, I am.
Yeah, we're recording.
It feels like a pedal bike, but with no pedals.
Now I see how you make it all the way.
Yeah, as a carp.
I swear, if a carp hits me,
Yeah.
this is very interesting. It's a really expensive and big, good boat. Place that to blow over. If he posts this on his channel, like and subscribe. I don't know why I said that. Now I'm gonna do this.